Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi in your Voltas AC remote. We'll go over the straightforward process of connecting your air conditioner to your home network, unlocking a world of smart features. This guide is designed to be easy to follow, ensuring you can quickly get your Voltas AC online. You'll soon be able to control your cooling from anywhere, making your home more comfortable and efficient. Let's dive in and get your smart AC set up today. Before we begin, let's ensure you have everything ready for a smooth setup. First, confirm that your Voltas AC model is Wi-Fi enabled. You'll also need your home Wi-Fi network name and password handy. Don't forget to download the official Voltas Smart AC app on your smartphone. Finally, make sure your AC unit is powered on and your remote has fresh batteries. Having these essentials prepared will make the connection process much simpler. Now, let's connect your AC to Wi-Fi using the remote. Begin by pressing the dedicated Wi-Fi button on your Voltas remote to enter setup mode. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your home network and input the password using the remote's navigation buttons. Once entered, confirm the details. The AC display will indicate a successful connection. Finally, open your Voltas Smart AC app and follow the instructions to pair your air conditioner, completing the setup. Congratulations! With your Voltas AC now connected to Wi-Fi, you can enjoy a host of smart features. Use the mobile app to control your air conditioner from anywhere, whether you're at home or away. Schedule cooling times to save energy and ensure your space is always comfortable when you need it. You can also monitor performance and receive helpful alerts. Explore advanced options like voice control for ultimate convenience. Enjoy your smarter, more efficient cooling experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.